Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to dive into a question that so many people are thinking about right now. If I wanted to make $100,000 before 2026, what would I actually do? Now, I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme, some sketchy make-money-overnight nonsense. I'm talking about real, actionable strategies that can realistically get you to six figures in the next couple of years if you were smart, consistent, and willing to put in the work. Whether you're a student, someone stuck in a 9-to-5, or you just want to build multiple income streams, this video is for you. And trust me, by the end of it, you'll have a clear roadmap of what I would do personally to hit $100K before 2026. So let's get into it. Section 1. Mindset Shift. First things first, mindset. Before you even think about strategies or businesses, you have to get your head in the right place. Making $100K isn't about luck. It's about leveraging your time, skills, and resources the right way. That means thinking in terms of value creation, not just money chasing. Ask yourself, what can I create that people actually need? How can I solve problems for others? Because the truth is, money flows to value. The more value you provide, the faster you'll reach your goal. Also, you need to think long-term. $100K isn't just a one-time target. It is a mindset of building systems that can keep paying you consistently. Section 2. Skill Assessment. Step 2 is evaluating your skills. Take a hard look at what you're good at. What do you enjoy doing? Where do you naturally excel? Making $100K is easier if you can leverage a skill that people actually pay for. Here are a few examples. Writing, copywriting, or content creation programming or web development, digital marketing or social media management design, video editing, or animation sales or client acquisition. If you don't have any of these skills yet, don't panic. You can learn, but you need to start today. The faster you get skilled, the faster you can monetize. Section 3. Choosing a high-potential path. Now, let's talk strategy. If I wanted to make $100K before 2026, I'd focus on high-potential income streams. Here are the ones I would prioritize. 1. Freelancing service-based work. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start making money. If you're good at writing, design, marketing, or development, companies will pay you. Here's the math. If you charge $50 an hour and work 20 hours a week, that's $1,000 a week. In a year, that's over 50Ks. And as you get better, you can increase your rates. High-ticket clients? $2,000 to $5,000 per project isn't unusual. 2. Online business, digital products or courses. Digital products are amazing because you create once and sell multiple times. If you have expertise in something, package it as an online course, ebook, or membership. Example. Teach people how to use Excel for business, create a fitness program, or even a step-by-step guide to social media growth. With proper marketing, one product can generate thousands of dollars a month. 3. Investing side hustles. Side. Investing is slower but can compound your money. Stocks, ETFs, crypto, or even real estate can all contribute. But remember, this is not get rich quick. This is about strategic growth. Side hustles like Amazon FBA, dropshipping, or print on demand can also scale. These require some upfront effort but have the potential for passive income streams. 4. Hybrid approach. Personally, I'd combine all three. Service-based income to start cash flow immediately, digital products for scalable growth, and investments to grow wealth passively. This is how you hedge your risk while accelerating results. Section 4. Execution plan. Alright, having ideas is one thing, execution is another. Here's exactly what I'd do if I were starting today. Step 1. Pick one. Primary income stream. Choose one thing to focus on first. Don't scatter your energy. If it's freelancing, go all in on building your portfolio. If it's digital products, start creating content that leads to sales. Step 2. Build a portfolio or proof of concept. People don't pay for ideas, they pay for proof. Create sample work, testimonials, or case studies. Even a personal project that demonstrates skill is enough to get started. Step 3. Start networking and finding clients freelancers. Leverage platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn. Post your work on social media, reach out to businesses, or join niche communities. Digital products. Start building an audience through YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or a newsletter. Organic traffic is free, and even a small engaged audience can generate sales. Step 4. Price strategically. Don't undersell yourself. If your work provides $5,000 in value to a client, charge $1,000 plus. Pricing is psychological. If you think your work is worth it, others will too. Step 5. Scale systems. Once you have a steady workflow, outsource tasks you're not great at. Automate processes, emails, funnels, scheduling. Expand your reach through paid ads or collaborations. Scaling is what turns $50K into $100K or even more. Section 5. Time frame and goals. So let's break this down realistically. If we have until 2026, that's roughly 2 years. Here's a simple roadmap. Year 1. Foundation: build your skill or service. Acquire your first 10-20 paying clients or initial product sales, earn $30K to $50K by the end of the year. Year 2. Growth and scaling. Increase rates or expand product line. Automate or outsource repetitive tasks, aim for $50K plus in additional revenue. By staying consistent and focused, $100K isn't just a dream, it becomes entirely achievable. Section 6. Overcoming common roadblocks. Here's the reality. This journey won't be smooth. You'll face challenges. Here's how I'd handle them. Fear of failure. Stop overthinking and start doing. The fastest way to learn is by action, not by planning endlessly. Time management. Prioritize high-value tasks. Focus on client work, product creation, or marketing first. Don't waste hours on low-impact activities. Imposter syndrome. Everyone feels it. The key is to remember, people pay for results, not perfection. Deliver, learn, and improve. Burnout consistency is more than intensity. Work smart and schedule rest days. Sustainable effort beats short bursts every time. Section 7. Mindset of a $100K earner. Here's the mindset I'd adopt if I wanted to hit $100K fast. I'm solving problems, not selling products. I focus on high-value actions first. I continuously reinvest in skills, systems, and marketing. I track numbers, results, and ROI. The difference between someone making $20K a year and $100K is in luck. It is their choices, consistency, and how they allocate their time and energy. Section 8. Tools and resources. Here's what I'd use to make this easier. Freelancing platforms: Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn. Content creation: Canva, Notion, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve digital products. Teachable, Gumroad or Kajabi marketing. MailChimp, ConvertKit, Buffer, or Hootsuite investing. Robinhood, Webull, or Vanguard. These tools help save time, scale faster, and make everything more manageable. Final thoughts. If I wanted to make $100K before 2026, here's the bottom line. Start with the right mindset. Focus on value creation. Leverage your skills. Get good at something people pay for. Pick high-potential income streams, services, digital products, and investments. Execute with focus and consistency. Action beats planning every time. Scale strategically. Outsource, automate, and reinvest in growth. The goal isn't just hitting $100K. It's building systems that can keep paying you for years. If you follow this path, $100K before 2026 isn't just a number, it's inevitable. Remember, action beats perfection. Start today, focus on value, and keep moving forward. All right, guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want me to dive deeper into specific strategies to make $100K fast, drop a comment below. Hit that like button if you found this useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.